Ahanyuma y'abebembezi okushanga omurumo ogukozirwe ahakwombeka ekyombeko ekyokukorerwamu ebigezo gukozirwe kubi, abatuura n'abebembezi bashaziremu okwanga kutongoza obwebagumizengu n'ebijingirire.
That is what we call shoddy work. I describe this work done. Though literally the building is okay, it is literally, but the finishing part is shoddy.
Okurigirira aha munyishengero wa Kinkizi West James Kaberuka nagira ngu ishomero rya Kihihi Primary School kahebwa government shillings miliyoni 900 okwombeka ekyombeko eki konka ngu wahikaho norebera okutangara ahanyigi ahibaraza hamwe n'enyuma noshanga byona biri ebijingirire.
Bose twakareka kukuhari kicyombeko kiragenda hariho aminareba ko zitaraza wakoze zitaraza hano agakora kuruji konka wahika hariya nika bisana sano tiko.
I therefore use my powers entrusted to me by the President to monitor government projects to say this work is shoddy and cannot be commissioned.
Ekitongore ekirikwetwa Enatu Construction Company Limited nicho cyahibwa omurumo gw'okwombeka. Omujokero wa contractor ahakanise ekikorwa ekyo kwanga kutongoza obwagumizengu okukora kubi kukaretwa okucererwa kweshashura bita bebembezi bangire kwikiriza nawe bari kugira ngo ayihewe akashogano.
We were able to put the money. Na bishop no one said we can even add the money. He said no. We had some money, contingency money, had some other activity that was left out in the contract. The administration, even through the engineer, the site meeting, had never called it, but he refused.
For unforeseen damages, but for our door, which we are seeing is not rocking, that one we cannot call it a snag, that you pay for it, then it is collected later. I don't agree to that.
Ebi bitangarize headmaster w'ishomereri tukamusherura James ngo abegiti bineho kushomera ahabwe beyi okweyongera.
Umubare w'abana bunabereka abo kubatoka apata nk'abandi ganashatoka bata mu classe rero kandi ukatekateka kubegereza aba bana bagarisa n'ibitweka konke classe za yongera.
Gasha kwa Hweza Wilfred